Hi guys, this is Mark Joshua Flores, also known as Tatong of Tatong Creations, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just started making videos this month. This YouTube channel of mine is freshly created. As a new video creator, choosing the right video editor for my videos was kinda challenging for me until I found Kinemaster. Yes, Kinemaster video editing app is what I use for my videos. So I really want to recommend this video editing app to you guys because Kinemaster got almost everything you need in order to create an amazing video. You can add music, sounds, video clips, photos, plus it has cool text fonts, effects, and a lot more that you will surely love. So now, let me help you on how to remove that watermark that you can find at the upper right corner of your screen, which is made with Kinemaster. It's kind of bothering, right? Some will just advise you to just pay and that watermark will be removed. You can remove the watermark permanently even without spending a single coin, just like what I did. So I just learned this from my friend and I would like to share it also with you guys. So if you want to learn, please don't forget to click first the subscribe button that you can see below and hit that notification bell in order for you to be updated with the videos that I'm going to post. Okay, so let's start now removing that Kinemaster watermark. Ready your paper and pen and list down all these important and easy steps. But wait, if you already have a Kinemaster app which you downloaded from the App Store, kindly uninstall it first because we are going to install a Kinemaster app which has no watermark. All you have to do is to follow these steps. Everything is proven safe and effective, so just keep on watching. Okay, so you are looking now at my home screen. I'd like to apologize to non-Android users because the Kinemaster app that we are going to download is working only in Android phones. I tried this already to non-Android phones but it's not working. So yeah, if you are an Android user, you are lucky to watch this video. So first, let us open the browser. On the search bar, type there AC Market, then press enter. AC Market is also an app store. There you go. Click AC Market, crack apps for Android. Next, let's download AC Market by clicking download now. Click OK, then wait until it is downloaded. When it is completed, go to your file manager. Look for APK folder if you have this or download folder. If you saw the AC Market APK, click it and install. There you go, I already have AC Market on my home screen. So let's open it. It will take a little while because it's newly installed. There, let's click OK. Just keep on clicking allow. Yes. Okay, so just install it again and this is for the last time. Once it is already installed, open it. Okay, so here it is. This is AC Market. You can also download here other apps, but we are looking for Kinemaster. On the search bar, type Kinemaster. Okay, so this one will appear. Let's choose now what version of Kinemaster we want. So let's just click here. I'll choose this version. And let's download it. Just keep on clicking OK. Let's see the progress up here. Okay, so it's already downloaded. Now, let's install the app and wait again for a moment. As a proof that this app is really working and has no watermark, this video you're watching now is made with Kinemaster, downloaded from AC Market. Click allow and a little more moment for it to be installed. Then you can already have fun editing different videos.
I don't only create videos like this one, I also create animations, all thanks to Kinemaster.
Okay, so it's already installed. As you can see here at my home screen, I already have this Kinemaster app installed in my phone. The steps were pretty easy, right? Okay, so there you go guys. If you found any problem installing the Kinemaster app from the AC Market, kindly comment that below and I will try to help you. And for those who successfully installed their Kinemaster app, congratulations, and do not forget to give us a thumbs up. If you like this video, share this to your friends and let us all start sharing wonderful videos using Kinemaster app. So once again, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so that you will be updated also with the other tutorials that I am going to share with you guys. And I am going to teach you also other things which maybe you do not know yet Kinemaster can do, just like this one. Okay, so that's all for our video tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. This is Totong. I'll see you next time.